Hello everyone, I'm Aleksa, a BSP software engineer from Quectel. Today I'll show you the Smart 5G EVB Kit, an excellent assistant tool for developing applications and testing the core functionalities of the Smart 5G module SG560D series. We have packed all the accessories you need so you can do smart module evaluation and even quickly start developing your application. The EVB board provides a flexible and portable testing platform, allowing you to verify that the selected module meets your application requirements while simplifying early-stage development. Inside the box, you'll find everything that you need to get started. So let's take a look at what's included. This kit contains USB to RS232 converter cable, USB Type-C cable, RF cables, DC power cable, earpiece, the antenna, 12-volt DC power supply adapter. Now let's get more familiar with main elements of the EVB. This side of the board contains battery connector, DC adapter connector, micro USB port, USB Type-C port, 3.5 audio jack, D-sub connector for the main UART, USB Type-C for debug UART, control buttons, power switch, VBOT status indicator, sensors, USB boot switch, module connectors, earpiece speaker, vibrator, loudspeaker, flashlight, display connector, camera connectors, RF antennas. The other side of the board contains SD card and SIM card slots, Ethernet interface. The first thing that we had to do is to install the driver so we can communicate with our module. Download the Quectel tool, a product developed by Qualcomm Technologies. This tool assists in flashing or installing stock firmware on devices powered by the Qualcomm chipsets. As a result, it's compatible with all devices generations, both new and old. As the second part, download the Qualcomm USB driver. Qualcomm USB drivers are needed for a computer to communicate with and recognize Qualcomm-based devices such as smartphones or tablets that are connected to it via USB cable. Without these drivers, the computer may not recognize the device or may recognize it as an unknown device. Additionally, the device may not function properly, such as being unable to transfer files or data or connect to internet through the computer's connection. In short, Qualcomm USB drivers are necessary for a computer to communicate with and recognize Qualcomm-based devices, allowing to transfer of data and other information between the devices and the computer. In addition, these drivers are necessary for the devices to be recognized and function properly when connected to the computer. Let's now connect and switch on our EVB. Begin by installing the module into its dedicated slot, making sure the alignment arrows on the module and evaluation board match. With the module in place, connect the antennas. Before powering up the device, confirm that correct power source and boot configuration have been selected, then connect the USB cable. Every module ships with Quectel's standard firmware, providing a dependable platform for development. During prototyping and testing, ADB Fastboot can be used to flash selected image files, making it easy to test updates and changes quickly. To find out more about Quectel's EVB Kit, visit quectel.com, contact your regional sales team or our channel partners.